Hello friends. Ready? Welcome to my channel Learning is Fun by NGB. So in my previous video I have given uh, videos on AI, domains of AI, what is AI, and I've given explanatory video on different domains like data science, computer vision. So today so today uh, before moving on to the other domains, I'd like to explain how does the AI model works or how does it learn. The first thing, the very important thing, AI depends on data. AI works on data. Data is the most important part of AI. If data is correct and accurate, AI will work finely. But if the data is inaccurate or not correct or anything goes wrong with the data, AI fails. So there is a common saying in AI: garbage in, garbage out. So AI learns from data. AI identifies the pattern and then it tries to uh, study the new data given to it. So let us understand the process of learning. What is the process it follows? The system follows. So there are two types. One is supervised. Supervised learning. Another is unsupervised learning. Now, in supervised learning, the data that is provided, the training data, while the system is under training, the data that is given during the training is a labeled data. The answers to those data are known. So AI, this model learns from that data and then it classify the data, the new data based on that pattern. Or you can say that the AI or the system, the model learns from the given data which already it is labeled or the answers are given, and it will group the data or the new data into predefined categories. Predefined categories. For example, if the model has been provided some images of dogs, so the model has been provided with 20 images of dogs. The image has been labeled that these are the image of dogs. Now the model learns a pattern from those images, and then a new image is provided to the model. And it is asked like what this image belongs to, whose image is this. So AI has, or the model has learned from the previous data. They've learned the pattern, try to identify the pattern. From the 20 images given before, that these are the image of dog. So based on the pattern that it has learned from the given 20 images, it will identify the image, that the new image or the new data that has been provided to it is an image of a dog. So this process where the AI model is grouping the data based on the predefined categories or based on label data, this process is known as classification. And this comes under supervised learning. Now, next comes regression. Next come regression. Now, what is regression? Regression is the process where the system or the AI model predicts the exact numerical value. For example, the price of a house. In regression, the exact price of the house will be predicted based on certain categories, based on certain criteria. So here the exact price will get predicted. For example, if I predict, this house will be of 10 lakhs rupees or 1 crore rupees. So that is regression. While in classification, the house will be predicted as a lower range house or a middle range house or a luxury house or a uber luxury house. This classification is based on regression. In regression, when the exact price is predicted based on the criteria, for example, the location of the house, the size of the house, the city it belongs to, okay, then the exact price is predicted, and based on this prediction, the houses are classified into different categories like upper range or a lower range or a middle range or a luxury or a uber luxury house. So that is classification. And when I am predicting the exact price of the house, that is regression. Now coming to clustering. Now, as I told you, there are two processes: supervised learning, unsupervised learning. Now, this is the part of clustering, is a part of unsupervised learning, because here the data is not labeled, data is unlabeled. Here, the AI model will learn from the characteristics or different similarities from the data, or it will categorize or it will group the data based on their characteristics, based on their similarities. For example, I have provided AI model with a few images, images of maybe images of banana, images of apple, images of potato, but I have not told the AI what this images belongs to. Now it is the work of AI model to group this data by finding their similarities or characteristics of them. How? For example, banana. Now the system or the model will see, this is an image where it is kind of a long shape and a yellow color. So this is a group of, it will take those images which will have the similarities or the same features, like it will be shape in long shape and in yellow color. It will group those images in a same cluster. Then it will see there are images of apple. There's a red color, round shape and red color. So it will group those images, where those images will be in round shape and red color. So that will be cluster 2. And then suppose there are images of potato, brown color, and little bit absurd shape. So again, it will find the similarities or the features which is matching with them, and then it will group the images of those potatoes together as cluster 3. So that is clustering, where the AI model is grouping the data based on their similarities or similar kind of features or similar kind of patterns. So that is clustering, where the data is not labeled, and thus this comes under unsupervised learning. So students, for today it's this much, that the process of learning, that is classification, regression and clustering. This is the process how AI learn, or how the AI model learns. One is supervised learning, another is unsupervised learning. So more will come in my upcoming videos. Do keep in touch. Stay connected. Thank you for watching. Bye.